Now next is roots or solution of quadratic equation. Roots or solution of quadratic equation. Now the degree of quadratic equation is 2 and therefore the quadratic equation has 2 roots or 2 solutions. The degree of quadratic equation is 2, hence it has 2 roots or solution. Now the value of the variable, the values of the variable for which, or the values of the variable which satisfy the given equation are known as roots or solution of the given quadratic equations. Now see whether the values given against the variable is the root or not of the given equation. See whether, now this is very important, see whether the values given against the variable is the root or not of the given equation. Now example is, suppose the example is 4x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Now the values of x, 1 minus 1 upon 2. Now first we have to write the given equation, minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. This is the given equation. Now we have to first see whether 1 is a solution of the equation or not, and then we see whether minus 1 by 2 is the solution of the equation or not. So first we put x is equal to 1 in equation. So here 4 into 1 square minus 7 into 1 plus 3. Now how we have to prove this? We have to solve left hand side. If left hand side is equal to right hand side, that means if right hand side is 0, then this is the root. So it is 4 into 1 minus 7 plus 3. 4 ones are 4 minus 7 plus 3. 4 minus 7 is minus 3 plus 3. So we get 0. Left hand side is 0. And therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, and therefore x is equal to 1 is the root of given equation. Now put x is equal to 1 by 2. So left hand side is, it is 4 into x square, that is 1 by minus 1 upon 2 whole square minus 7 into minus 1 upon 2 plus 3. Now 4 into minus 1 upon 2 square, minus into minus is plus. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Then minus into minus plus, it is 7 by 2 plus 3. Now this is cancelled. So we get 1 plus, left hand side is 1 plus 7 upon 2 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 7 upon 2. If we solve 8, we get 2, 8 plus 7. So we get 15 by 2. And therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side. And therefore x is equal to minus 1 upon 2 is not the solution of equation or root of equation. Now we take second example. If one root of the equation 4m square minus 3m plus a is equal to 0, then find value of a. Now one root of the equation is 3. If one root of the equation 4m square minus 3m plus a is equal to 0 is 3, then find the value of a. Now here we have to solve it. First we write down the given equation minus 3m plus a equal to 0. Now one root of equation is 3 and therefore we have to put m is equal to 3. So 4 into 3 square minus 3 into 3 plus a equal to 0. So 4 into 3 square is 9 minus 3 3s are 9 plus a equal to 0. 4 9s are 36 minus 9 plus a equal to 0. 36 minus 9, 27 plus a equal to 0, and therefore a is equal to, if we transfer 27 to this side, so 0 minus 27, and therefore a is equal to minus 27. This question may be asked for 1 mark or 2 mark. Now homework, solve exercise 2.1.